We do love our cool sketch. And I'm like,
Coffee break.
you listen? 2 coffee. Doesn't it just like cleanse your soul? No. We're approaching the butt. Where's she at? She's beautiful.
Halfway there. You ready to wrap it?
Rapid, just chilling. Cedar Rapids.
Mom, are you ready?
I am ready.
That wasn't convincing. We just did that.
That's me listening.
You got baptized.
I got baptized again several times this morning.
She's a real hardcore Christian. You did so good. Oh, that was crazy. I'm so tired.
We're so tired.
That was intense. You feel accomplished? How many times can we
So many.
chill?
I'm gonna say it every time. I like this bucket that just says water.
Descriptive. Water.
Water.
Oh, look at this guy. You're doing great. You're doing so good. My brother's over here beating up on children.
See how far Anna can get up. Feeling pretty good.
Go.
If you
Fight me.
that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You wanna fight me? Then fight me.
Oh, there's Amy Williams.
There might be a cute mug. No mugs.
No,
Yes. No mugs.
you don't need
I
any
will
more
buy it
mugs.
with my money, and you can't stop me.
You're gonna fill up our townhome with mugs. Emma, what do you expect from IKEA?
I have no idea, dude. Wait, have you not ever been to IKEA?
What?
Oh. It's like a house. It's just furniture.
Just wait.
Furniture. It's so big. Yeah. Why did you say it? Yeah, just when you go in. It's like.
Yes.
And then it's gonna be like my reaction. I think IKEA has the notion that college dorm rooms come with nothing in it, which is false. Laptop table.
Can we get a plate of the chicken meatballs?
Talk radio now?
Are you good with gravy? Yes, please. utensils.
Not plungers. Toilet brush. I have the one.
Where'd you go?
I love it.